Lunch hour weather update for Northern Ontario. This is Timmins Weather Channel, known as Weather Now, just like Weather Now from 1988. The old-fashioned blue screens with the Weather Star computer. By the time this gets on the air, it'll be between 12:30 and 1 o'clock. 12 o'clock landscape over Timmins, taken at 11:50 this morning. Overcast conditions here. Cedar Street North meets Highway 101 or Algonquin West. Bare and wet. Beautiful day. It's mild, a little bit breezy from the south, and very isolated active weather, non-severe active weather across our region. But this picture is going to look a little bit whiter within the next 12 to 36 hours, if not less than that. Gillies Lake, here's a trail. Nothing on the trail. This tree was swaying towards the north as the southerly wind was kicking up a notch. Lakeshore Drive here, Toke Street on top of the hill. And this picture will get whiter and more difficult to see through maybe more than one statute mile within 12 to 24 hours. As far as the system itself goes, Environment Canada's updated text storm update at 8:38 is still not exact on where the storm is developing from. I can only watch these two lows work together over Texas, possibly taking the northeasterly direction towards the Great Lakes, which means it's go time once the storm gets organized and starts headed our way if it does that. For today, high pressure south of Toronto, between Toronto and Atlanta, Georgia, spinning a southwest wind behind it, which is our fresh summer breeze, combined with the backward spinning low over the Great Lakes, namely Lake Superior. And this isolated low did produce some non-severe active weather for parts of our internal district, if you want to call it that. Satellite picture shows a storm cloud building up and just booming over Dallas, Texas. If this cloud cover continues its northeast direction towards Chicago, let's say, you can see that straight line right there. This could be the storm weather maker itself. It's just time will tell to see when it's go time, whenever the storm drops its first snowflake and then gets worse from there. In fact, the Weather Network's headline was saying dangerous conditions, postpone travel if needed, something like that. Radar picture from 9 a.m. till about almost 12 noon. There's more snow on the radar than what we can actually see on the ground right now, unless I'm missing something. But there's some freezing rain mixed precip that just turns into snow. It heads east and turns back into freezing rain once again. Clear skies at Kapuskasing at 11 a.m., so there's no precip there for 11 a.m., but there was just one stray shower that moved by the Hearst region right there. And that was taken at about 10 o'clock this morning. It looks like it's mixed precip. It's just a fun bunch of stuff on the radar before the heartbeat of the storm begins. The Weather Star computer with the blue screens above me and below me will continue with the airport observations. We're behind schedule with the airport observations count, but we're also going to leave you with the Earlton, Hearst, Moosonee airport webcams and more text updates with reference to current conditions around the region.